Hi everyone, dear subscribers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can check your Facebook login device. Please like, comment, and watch this video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, open Facebook. After that, click the menu. In the upper right corner, open Settings and Privacy. Meta Account Center. Go to see more in Account Center, Password, and Security. Where you are logged in, open Facebook profile. And as you can see, here we get the devices that we've ever logged into Facebook through. We can click on them. And here we have the devices showing the location, where this device is now, and from which account it is in our Facebook. If we want to, let's say we see some account as unnecessary. We want to log out of it. We click Select Devices to log out, and then we log out of that device. That's a simple way of doing it. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.